Hey everyone, it's Tiffany with Miller's Mad Creations, and today I'm back with a new planner. This is a 2025 portrait Pink Leopard planner. I'm going to do a walkthrough, but first I'm going to show you how to import your planner into GoodNotes. If you've been around for a little while, then you might have seen my previous video showing you how to do so, but I always like to cover it. So you're either going to download the planner from Etsy or from my website, which is millersmadcreations.com or Miller's Mad Creations on Etsy. So once you get it downloaded into your files, wherever it is that you want to save it, you're going to click on it and you're going to hit this little icon right here, and I use GoodNotes, so we are going to put it into GoodNotes and we're going to import it as a new document. So that's how simple it is to put it into GoodNotes. It works pretty similar if you want to use any of the other planner or note-taking apps. Pretty much the same kind of concept, maybe a little bit different. So this will be a quick walkthrough, hopefully. This is my Pink Leopard Portrait Planner. I do have an undated version as well. If you want to go that route, you can buy it one time and use it over and over. This one is just for 2025, so everything is already going to be dated and stuff for you. So just depending on if you want to have a planner that you can use over and over, or if you want one that's already filled out for you, there's two different options. This is a Monday start planner, so everything's going to start on a Monday and end in Sunday. So just like my undated planners, everything is already dated and done for you. So if you want to click on the 1st of January, it's going to take you to January 1st. Down here you'll see that I also have a mini calendar, and if you click on any of these dates, it's going to take you to those days as well. To get back to the month, you're going to click on the month tab over here and it'll bring you back to the month. If you want to go to the weeks, here's week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the weeks are numbered all the way to 53. So we go to February, you'll see it continues week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, week 9. So here's week 1. Again, everything is already dated for you. And then your mini calendar is down here. Each month has an overview page, a finance page, a habit tracker, some notes, a recap, and visions. So here's the overview page. This is going to be before your month. That way, if you have anything coming up, you can fill that in. You have a finance page. This is the January finance page. You can duplicate this page or any of the pages as much as you need. Here is a habit tracker, so you just fill in the habit that you're working on, and then you can highlight or check off or put a sticker however you want the days 1 through 30 or 31st. Each month will have a notebook paper dedicated to it. Again, you can duplicate this page as much as you want. We have a recap. So this is just like, okay, what did you do for this month? What did you accomplish? What can you do better? What did you learn? And wins from this month, because we want to celebrate our wins. And then we have a vision. So this used to just be a blank page, which it can be used as a blank page if you want, but I do have blank pages in the notes section that you can duplicate and put whatever. So a lot of people like to take and fill up this whole page and put a vision board. And I do have this vision board as well right here. So there's 12 sections and you can use it however you want to. So that is a walkthrough of January. If you're on any page and you want to get to the dashboard, you can click this binder right here and it's going to take you to the dashboard. Here are just some quick links to get to each month's overview, recap, finance, habits, notes, and vision board. And then here are some extra templates. So you can click on if you want to be taken to the year overview. We have important dates that you can fill out if you know any birthdays or anything coming up for the year. Let's go back to the dashboard. We have a contacts page. We have a finance page. It's just a blank page. It's not dedicated to any particular month. So if you want to duplicate it, move it, use it however you want, you can. We have a contacts page. So you can fill in all your contacts. Again, you can duplicate. A passwords page. A gift list. Mail planner. So you can plan your meals out, and then your shopping list, which also is part of the meal planner. You have a goals page, so you can work on your short-term goals and your long-term goals. Here is the vision board, and here's a quick link to your stickers. So here's 3 pages where you can put your stickers, and I'll show you that in a minute. These 5 sections are linked to your extra pages, extra sections where it's like little mini planners inside your planner. So you can give them a title right here, or you can use these tabs down here. They both go to the same thing. So we have section 1, section 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can use these as little mini notebooks however you want to. And then again, you can give them names right here, so you can just click real quick there. Here's where you're going to find your blank page, your notebook paper, your dot grid, and your graph paper. Again, all of these you can duplicate and put wherever you want to use them inside the planner. We also have Apple and Google integrations. You'll see up here on each page there is a link, so you can access that real quick. So you have an appointment coming up and you want to plan, you can go to the day if you want. Each day has that link right there. If you have an appointment first, we will write in the appointment. So let's see, we have a doctor's appointment. Okay, then you can highlight and copy, and then you can click on your Apple integrations. In order for these to work, you're going to install this Miller Mad Creation shortcut on your device. You'll have to go to your settings and then shortcuts and enable private sharing, and then after you get it all set up, you can disable it. So once you do that, let's go back to February 20th. So I'm ready to use my integrations now. So I'm going to click on the Apple. I'm going to hit yes. And it's going to ask which one. Do I want an event or do I want a reminder? So I'm going to do a new event. And I'm going to do February 20th. And this appointment was at 12. So 12 p.m. I'm going to hit done. So now I can tap and hold and paste doctor's appointment. I didn't spell it right, but that's fine. And then I'm going to add it. So now my event is added for February 20th. Same thing with Google. You just want to make sure that you are logged into your Google account, and it's going to pop up your Google Calendar, and you're going to copy it and add your event. Also, you can add a reminder. So if you don't want just an event, you can do a reminder, and we're going to paste doctor's appointment and whatever list you want to use. And then we're going to hit done. And now we're going to look at our stickers. You will get this set of stickers with your planner whenever you purchase. So you can either keep it separate like this in your little sticker book, or if you would like, you can use the lasso tool and highlight all your stickers and copy and go to your stickers page and then paste. That way they're here for quick access, whichever you want to do. So then if you want to use a sticker, you're just going to select it with your selection tool. We're going to copy, and let's go and then we're going to hold it, and then we're going to paste, and there's your sticker. And you can resize it, you can crop it, make it into a rectangle, or you can freehand. It's that easy. So that's the run through of my 2025 dated Pink Leopard Portrait Planner. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that it keeps you organized and helps make your 2025 a great year. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or want to leave a comment, please do so below. And I will see you on the next one.